Hey, welcome back to the shop. I'm going to be continuing the Mustang under construction on the stage one for me. Uh, Back to what this car is. It's a bone stock 2018 100,000 mile car, and we're going to see what we can get out of this thing. They seem to be the deal of the times right now for what you get for the money. As you can see underneath here, nothing's been touched, which is usually, the way I like them, because then you know where you're starting. So everything looks good. I mean, I don't see anything leaking oil or anything like that. Everything is pretty good. It's the first time I've had it up in the air. But for a little stage one thing here, we're gonna take this out and put a H pipe in here. That will be on my next one. But the first thing I want to do is a temporary, got them lifted right here. I'm going to put some lift pads here from ZL1 add-ons. It'll make it a lot easier just to see where you got to go, and if anyone else wants to pick it up, they get it in the right spot. So in the kit, you get 4 of these. You can get black or red. I think you can get other colors. What I'm going to do is Loctite these like set screws. So I'm going to just put some Loctite on those threads before. I'm going to back them out a little more and then screw them in. And they're going to go right here. So normally I wouldn't put it here, but the car isn't that old, so that's still pretty strong. And you're just going to set it just like that. The other 3 I got done already. So use that square section. I'm just going to take a little bit of Loctite, a little bit on each. I don't ever plan on taking these off, so this isn't permanent Loctite, but even still. So you're just going to set it in the spot where you want it. Just make sure it's pushed all the way up so that, like, when you put weight on it, it doesn't move. And then, like, make itself, like, maybe possibly come loose. And I'm just going to say good and tight. So when you look under the car, that's what you're going to see, the red spots here. So it'll be, it'll be nice. The other way you won't even touch this at all. So I'm probably going to actually lower it down and move it. But yeah, that's it. So this just may have just become my most favorite car to lift on here now, because like the Fox body, that was my favorite car to bring in here and put on the lift because it was so easy. So this makes it way easier. So there's going to definitely be a lot more to come on this car. This is just the beginning. I got some weld wheels we're going to be putting on it. Like I said, this H-pipe and E85 tune from Lund Tuning. The plan is possibly this winter. I don't know which way I'm going to go with it, but I'm thinking the Hellion twin turbos. So we'll see how that goes. But please hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the next one.